The JBL Clip 3 from Harman is very small. How small is this? Let me show you. This is an iPhone. So you have an iPhone here. You can see on the size difference what the difference is between the JBL and the iPhone. Now, let's take it open and let's see what it does. Take that open. Here it is. This is the JBL in its actual entirety. And you can see it looks very good. It has a very, very smooth finish. It also has a great handle so you can put it up on your finger. This is going to be coming in black. This is coming in black camo, blue. Comes in colors like teal, red, gold, yellow, green. I mean, not gold. I think they just call it yellow, but I think it looks goldy. Now, this is going to be those ultra portable waterproof Bluetooth speakers that come with 10 hours of playback as you once you charge it on the rechargeable lithium-ion battery. This has noise canceling and wireless streaming. This will be waterproof and durable because it's completely waterproof. You can dunk this in water. You can put this in a tank of water and it will last. You have big sound in a small package. So this is my hand. Let's see what it sounds like. Let's see how easy this is to connect. Power controls. So here's your power controls. You just want to turn it on. So we're going to turn ours on. Turn it on, pairing on Bluetooth mode. And that's probably indicating that we can pair it with Bluetooth. And you can see that the JBL Clip 3 appears right there. And it's the same if you're on iOS. It's the iOS, you'll see that it appears right there as well. You're gonna click the JBL Clip 3. It's gonna say pair with it. Yes, we want to pair. And boom, we are paired. That's it. You're done. Now let's see what this sounds like. And we're gonna be playing some music here for you. All right, this is playing on this speaker. This is the JBL Charge 3. And that's pretty loud. That's up on our phone. I can feel the beat, the bass hitting my hips. I can feel the bass hitting my hips here. So I think if you're looking for a IPX7 10-hour charging, easy to use, portable speaker that you can take to the beach, and you didn't want to break the bank, and you wanted to attach it to your bag, and you wanted to make it very usable, this is hard to beat. The majority of us, if you can't play super loud music, this is going to be one of the most affordable, best options.